am Anjonera.
And I am Micaela Sazia Bisumbilon, and we're from Capitol University, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, second year.
So good day mga ka-engineers. So for today, we have our new problem number 1 for the structural analysis about on how to determine the force in each member of the truss. State if the members are under tension or compression. So first, we're going to solve the summation of x here. Summation of x is equals to 0. Then we have here 450 lb plus cx. So our cx here is going to be 450 lb. Then we proceed to the summation of fy is equals to 0. And ay plus cy is equals to 0. So for our moment, so we have our moment here. So for our moment, the summation of moment A is equals to 0. Then, so 450 times here, the 4 feet. So 450 times 4 plus cy times 8 is equals to 0. So our cy here is going to be negative 225. So supposedly we can have negative in our answer, so we're going to transpose it to positive. So this is positive 225 lb going downward. So for our next step, we're going to have our joint A. Yes, to solve our joint A, joint B, and joint C, we're going to have here the joint A. Joint A. So for our joint C, this is the line of the Y and this is the X. Vertical Y and horizontal for X. So for the joint A, we have here our arms like this. So we have the 225. Then here is the AB. And here is the AB. And we have the angle of 45 degrees. For the next, we're going to have the summation of x of this is equals to 0. AB divided 2, then divide 2 plus AB is equals to 0. Then our AB here is equals to 225 lb. And it's going to be the tension. Yes. And for the negative summation of Fy, we have here the 0 is equals to 225 plus AB. Copy this one. AB square root of 2 divided by 2. So we have here the AB is equals to negative 318.2 lb. So, bato ganina, since we can't have the negative answer, we transpose it to positive. So we have the answer of AB is equal to 318.2 lb. And that is our compression. So that's the answer for our joint A. So we proceed to our joint B. For the joint B, we have our since wala siyang laking amount sa BD. Then, for the subdivision of fx, is equals to 0, we have here the negative 225 plus BC plus BC is equals to 0. So, we have here our BC is equals to 225 LB compression. So that's our answer for the joint B. So next, we can proceed to the joint C. Sorry guys, I have a problem. So for the BC pala, the answer is 225 lb and it's a tension. So we proceed for the joint C. We have the and it's a lower portion. So you have here our BC, our 225 LB, also sa obos, sa London LB, and our 450 LB. So we have our angle here 45 degrees. So this is our joint C. And for the summation of Fy, we have here summation of Fy is equal to 0. We're gonna have the negative 225 since everything is sa obos, so it's a negative, plus BC sine 45 degree is equal to 0. So the answer of our BC is equal to 380.2 lb and it's a tension. So that's all the solution of the problem number 1 in structural analysis. I hope you learned a lot and that's all. Thank you. And also my partner will discuss about the problem number 2.
Thank you, Angelica, my partner. So, here is my problem number 2. Determine the greatest load P that can be applied to the truss so that none of the members are subjected to a force exceeding either 2 kN in tension or 1.5 kN in compression. So, here is our solution for joint C. So, we have here downwards, here. So, submission Fx para horizontal is equals to 0. Then we have the AC sine 30 minus DC sine 30 is equals to 0. So our AC is equals to DC. Oh, wala pa tanong man. So we have the vertical summation of Fy is equals to 0. So we have here AC cos 30 plus BC cos 30 minus B is equals to 0. So since 2 kN tension sa atong problem, we have to put here 2 AC cos 30 is equals to B. Then our AC is equals to 0.577 P, and we have here compression. So here's our joint C. What are the solutions sa joint C? So our next is joint A. So we have here joint A. then downward, vertically and horizontal, and upward. So, counterclockwise, and since dili man magsugod ang reaction padulong sa C, so we have here summation of Fs is equals to 0. So we have here again AC plus CB minus AB equals to 0. So we have here our AB is equals to 0.289B, and we have here the tension. So this is our problem solving of joint A. So lastly, we have our joint B. Joint B. So we have here downward again. And horizontal and upward. So we have here again AB is equals to 2KN since we have here our problem. And we have here the P is equals to 6.92 KN. And we have here our AC is equals to 4 KN is equals to BC X. And we have to solve again our AC is equals to 1.5 KN since we have here in our compression here no problem given is equals to BC. And again we have here our P is equals to 2.6 KN. Here is our AB is equals to 0.75 KN. So that's all our problem solution in our given problem number 2. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and that's all.
That's all mga ka-engineer. I hope you learned a lot for our video today discussion.
With my partner Angelica Madunero
And Micaela Sasha Biso Milan.